Want to know how to build B2B software and earn real profit? This is the USA's highest CPM secret. American advertisers pay premium rates to reach business decision makers. That means even a small SaaS product or YouTube channel in this niche can generate serious income. Find a problem businesses struggle with, like invoices, lead tracking, or HR bottlenecks. Solve one pain point and you have got their attention. Use no-code platforms like Bubble or Glide to launch a simple MVP. Don't overbuild, just deliver one clear solution. Document your journey on YouTube. Share tutorials and case studies. Combine SaaS subscriptions with high CPM US ads. Even 50 users at $20 a month equals $1,000 recurring income, plus premium ad revenue. Build B2B software, earn profit, and unlock the USA's highest CPM niche. Subscribe for more strategies that turn ideas into income.